Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about eczema. Today we also have a special guest star, Antoine, who's going to read out some questions for you guys. Introduce yourself.
I'm Antoine, and I'm here to read out your questions. Our first question comes from Zoo Knows. My damn eczema forever be trying to humble me. Can I not just have clear skin and joy in my life? Crying emoji.
So what do you think?
That's fiction. How do you have a skin disease that never goes away? That doesn't make sense. I go fiction. What's the answer?
This is fact.
What? Okay, sure. Explain, please.
I can't speak to your joy, but in terms of the eczema, it can be really hard to manage your symptoms, and luck is a major factor in getting a long remission. Eczema, or atopic dermatitis, is a chronic skin condition that causes skin to get infected and irritated, not to mention covered in rashes, because the skin itself is too dry and doesn't effectively protect the inner layers from the outside damage. Not to mention, eczema can be seriously triggered by environmental factors, like the weather and pollution where you live, or chemicals you come into contact with at your job. There are a wide variety of tactics to treat eczema, from over-the-counter moisturizers to heavy-duty steroid creams, all the way to intensive light treatments and oral steroid medications. And new ones come out all the time. So it's possible there's something out there that will work for you that you haven't gotten a chance to try yet. It might help to get in touch with your doctor or a new one who can talk to you about new tactics to approach your treatment. Good luck.
Our next question comes from Do It Curve. How come only regular broke people got eczema? Why doesn't Ruby Rose or Anne Hathaway have eczema?
What do you think? Do only poor people, broke people get eczema?
No way. All right, I got the last one wrong. I know this is 100% fiction. Anyone can get eczema. Eczema does not care about class or how much money you make. At least I don't think so. Maybe you educate me on it.
Well, you're correct because this is fiction.
Yes.
Actually, a bunch of celebrities have eczema, including Kerry Washington, Elle Fanning, and Kristen Bell. But you really are correct that their experiences with eczema are probably way different than those of normal people. Many people with eczema get it as kids, and studies have shown wealthier children are more likely to be referred to specialists and prescribed aggressive treatments for their symptoms. That's not to mention the state of insurance-based healthcare in the US in terms of who has access to care. But even for some of these candidates who've discussed their experiences with eczema, many talk about how they've gotten experimental treatments, including some that are promising but totally unavailable to most people because insurance won't cover them without FDA approval, or help develop their own skincare line, which is effectively redirecting R&D money towards something that benefits them personally. Most people can't do that, so even though eczema is slightly more common in people in the top income bracket, it probably does affect their lives less.
You're telling me that poor or rich, eczema does affect everyone the same way?
It affects everybody the same way. It just depends on who can get that, who has access to that medication.
So it affects everyone, but not everyone treats it in the same way.
Yes.
Oh, I'm getting it. I think I'm learning.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.